In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix stretch command moves whole object in AutoCAD. If you've ever tried to stretch a wall, a polyline, or a rectangle and watched the entire thing slide across the screen instead, you've run into a common selection issue. The stretch command only stretches geometry when you select just the portions you want to move. If you include the entire object or all of its vertices, AutoCAD treats it like a move. The fix is all about using the correct selection method. First, use a crossing selection from right to left. Start the stretch command, then don't click directly on the object and don't use a blue window from left to right. Instead, click once in empty space, move your cursor to the left and create a green crossing window. That green window tells AutoCAD to grab any vertices it touches. Make sure the window only crosses the endpoints or vertices you want to shift, such as the end of a wall or the corner of a shape. If your window fully encloses the entire object, you've selected everything, and the command will behave like move. Keep the window tight around just the area you want to change, then press Enter to finish selection. After that, specify your base point and your second point to define the stretch distance, just like you would for any displacement. If you are struggling to get that green crossing window or AutoCAD keeps snapping into the wrong selection mode, force it. Start the stretch command by typing S and pressing Enter. Then type C and press Enter to explicitly activate crossing selection mode. Now create your right to left window and again be careful to include only the endpoints or vertices that need to move. Press Enter to confirm the selection, pick a base point, and then pick or type the distance and direction for the stretch. If the whole object moves, that's a sign your window was too big or you accidentally enclosed all vertices. Cancel, zoom in a bit, and make a smaller crossing window so only the intended corners are touched. Once you control the selection, stretch will behave exactly as intended. Thanks for watching.